Hi, I'm Connie Hubble, and I have created this website for those seniors who are looking to make up some credits, and I wanted to give you some choices. So as you can see up at the top, you can choose to do the autobiography, and you just work through each of the sections that are listed here, and there's a rubric if you want to see how you'll be graded. If you would like to do a short fiction project, that's here, or a poetry anthology, that is right here. I'll be adding more excuse me, to this website as we go along so that you have more options. If you have any questions, just email me. My email is right here, chubble@psdschools.org. And if you have any questions or need any help at all, just email me and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I want this work to reflect the credits that you'll be given. So for 2.5 English credits, think about that as a quarter's worth of work, a quarter of a school year's worth of work. So I want it to look like that. You can't rush through this. You can't hand in some shoddy work and expect to get the English credits. It won't be accepted. So make sure that you put some time and effort into this and making it look nice before you turn it in. Now you'll turn in your projects up here where it says Dropbox. You'll just go here and you'll be able to, well, of course it's not going to show it, but you put your name and your link to your Google Doc, excuse me, right there. And that way I'll be able to access your Google Doc and grade it from there. Any project that you do will be done on a Google Doc, one Google Doc for the whole project. And you'll just put the link in the Dropbox.